How avatar ripping is done in VR chat. I'm going to show you how avatar ripping is done in VR chat. First, start by exploring public avatars in VR chat that you identify with. You can browse various worlds or visit avatar-specific hubs to find options that resonate with you. Take your time to find avatars that reflect your personality or style. Once you've found one you connect with, consider uploading a custom avatar that you identify with even more deeply, one that you feel could express your emotions and identity in the virtual world. This attachment can be so strong that you might feel emotional if someone were to steal it. Over time, as you continue to engage with the VR chat community, you may start to develop a sense of apathy regarding avatar theft. Instead of worrying about someone copying your avatar, you might begin to take pride in the fact that your creation is good enough for someone to want to replicate. This shift in perspective is common among players as they ascend to a level of acceptance, recognizing that imitation can be a form of flattery in the vibrant and creative environment of VR chat. Ultimately, avatar ripping can become a non-issue for many users, as the focus shifts from protecting one's creations to enjoying the immersive experience of social interaction and creativity in the virtual space.